0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is the most important concept for competitive part. So this result we will use in competitive in so many problems. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 to log 2. Same value we get for integration of 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx also. Even though if it is log sin x dx or log cos x dx, the answer is minus pi by 2 log 2. Minus pi by 2 log 2. So most of the problems in our competitive books, in any competitive books, we will use this result. We will use this result for the problem 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx or 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. So what is the value? Minus pi by 2 log 2. Now I will give the proof for this. How 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2 based on our properties of definite integral. Given 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. So let the given problem is I. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Let this is equation number 1. Next. So according to the property, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So according to this property, if you apply the property 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a, in the place of x you can replace with the a minus x. In the place of x, a minus x means pi by 2 minus x. You can replace with pi by 2 in the place of x, replace x with pi by 2 minus x. Next, I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 90 minus x is cos x, log cos x dx. So this is equation number 2. 1 plus 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2. I plus left hand side 2i's are there. I plus I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Let this is equation number, otherwise leave it. And from this left hand side we will get I plus I. 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. We know that log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is equal to log of ab. Log a plus log b is equal to log of ab. Based on this property, 2i is equal to left hand side 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 is common. 0 to pi by 2 is common. So if you take common, you will get log sin x plus log sin x plus log cos x into dx. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is equal to log of ab. So based on this, log of sin x, a means sin x, b means cos x into dx. Sin x cos x dx. Next, 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Multiplying and dividing with 2. Here if I multiply with 2 and divide with 2, then you will get 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x by 2. Sin x cos x means sin 2x by 2 into dx. Now this is in the form of log of a by b. Log of a by b. Log a by b means log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So 2i is equal to 0 to 90 log sin 2x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log a minus log b. Log b means log 2 dx. So 2i 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Here two integrations are there. 2y is equal to, let this is I1, this part is I1 and this part is I2 minus I2. Let this is equation number 3. I1 minus I2 is equal to 3. I1. Consider I1. What is I1? Integration of I1 is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log sin 2x dx, sin 2x dx. In this, put 2x is equal to t. Put 2x is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x on both sides, 2 into dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to 1 by 2 into dt. dx is equal to half dt. Next, change the lower limit and upper limit. Otherwise, leave it. Consider like a definite integration problem. Log sin 2x. 2x means t. 2x means t into half into dx means how much? Dx means half into dt. Here this is I1. I1 is equal to half into log sin t dt. So otherwise change the lower interval and upper interval also. Lower interval is how much? Lower limit. Lower limit is 2 into lower limit is 2 into 0 is equal to t. So t is equal to 0. Upper limit is 2 into pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 is 2 gets cancelled. T is equal to pi. Now change every value in I1. I1 is equal to 0. Lower limit is 0. Upper limit is pi log sin 2x is 2x value is how much? T. T into dx value is how much? Half into dt. So half into 0 to pi log sin t dt. Next, I1 is equal to half into log sin t dt we got. So if you replace according to the property, integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x according to this property. So according to the property, integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of this property already we proved. 2 times of 0 to f of x dx if f of 2 a minus x equal to f of x. So based on this property, if you observe the given I1, I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into I1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0 to 2a f of x dx is 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx when f of 2a minus x, f of in the place of x, if you replace 2a minus x, you should get f of x. So that means I am replacing sin t with pi minus t. Then what we will get? 1 by 2 into 0 to pi log sin pi minus t is again sin t. Again sin t we got f of 2a minus x. F of 2 into, we can write this as pi by 2. Pi means we can write like this. 2 into a. A value is how much here? Pi by 2. 2a minus x. F of 2a minus x. F of pi minus t. Again we got sin t. Again we got the same function. That means we can write like this. 1 by 2 into 0 to 2 times of a. 2 times of a log sin t dt. 2 gets cancelled. I1 is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin t dt. sin t dt. According to property number 1, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of t dt. So from the first property, or a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of t dt. Wherever x is there, we can replace with t. So from this property, I1 is equal to 0 to 90 log sin t. T means we can replace it with x dx. So I1 is nothing but, this is the given problem. If you observe this problem, this is the given problem. I1 is nothing but equal to I. So let this is equation number 4. Let this is equation number 4. Next, if you take I2, what is I2? I2 is equal to integration of minus log 2, 0 to pi by 2. So I is into dx. So I2 is equal to minus of log 2 is constant, 0 to pi by 2 into 1 into dx. So I2 is equal to minus log 2 into integration of 1 is x, lower limit 0, upper limit pi by 2. So I2 is equal to minus log 2 into upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. So I2 is equal to minus log 2 into pi by 2. Therefore, put I1 comma I2 in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? I is equal to I1 minus I2. What is I1 value we got? I1 is nothing but I1 minus I2 we got. This is equation number 3. So in this equation, replace I1 with I1 is nothing but I. Minus I2 value, how much we got? Log 2 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 I1 plus into log 2. So this is 2i. 2i is equal to, so I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. This is equation number 3. Equation number 3 is 2i is equal to I1 plus I2. 2i is equal to I1 value we got I, plus I2 value we got minus pi by 2 into log 2. So if I send plus I to the left hand side, I will get 2i minus I is I. I is equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. Next problem, exercise 7.11, first problem. Find 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx equal to how much? Let given problem is, let it be I. I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. This is equation number 1. According to the property number 5, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. From this property, I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. In the place of x, replace x with pi by 2 minus x, cos square pi by 2 minus x dx. So I is equal to 0 to 90 cos 90 minus x is sin x, sin square x dx. This is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2, 1 left hand side is I is there, plus 2 left hand side is I is there. I plus I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. 2y is equal to, if you take 0 to pi by 2 common, cos square x plus sin square x dx you will get, if you take common. So 2y is equal to 0 to 90, cos square x plus sin square x is 1 dx. Integration of 1 is x, 0 to 90. So 2y is equal to 90 minus 0. So 2y is equal to pi by 2, I is equal to pi by 4. This is the value of the given problem. The eighth problem is integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x. Given 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x. So let the given problem is I. Let I is equal to 0 to 45 log of 1 plus tan x into dx. So according to the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So according to property number 5, 0 to a f of x dx is there. We can replace x with 0 to a f of a minus x. So from this property I is equal to 0 to 45 log 1 plus tan, in the place of x we can replace with a minus x, that means 45 minus x into dx. So I is equal to 0 to 45 log 1 plus tan of, this is in the form of tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b, tan a into tan b into dx. Next, so I is equal to 0 to 45 log of 1 plus tan 45 value 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan 45 value 1 into tan x 1 plus tan x into dx. So 1 plus 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So I is equal to 0 to 45 log of, if you take LCM you will get 1 plus tan x as LCM, 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x dx, plus tan x minus tan x gets cancelled. I is equal to 0 to 45 log 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 plus tan x, 2 by 1 plus tan x. So I is equal, we know that log a by b is equal to log of a minus log b. Log of a by b is equal to log a minus log of a by b minus means log a minus log b. So I is equal to 0 to 45 log 2 minus 0 to 45 log 1 plus tan x into dx, 1 plus tan x into dx. So from equation number 1, log of 1 plus tan x dx, 0 to 45 log of 1 plus dx value is how much? I. So I is equal to, here log 2 means constant. If constant is there, right before the integral, 0 to 45 1 into dx minus I. So I plus I is equal to log 2 into integration of 1 is x, 0 to 45 log 2 into lower limit, substitute lower upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 4 minus 0, 2y is equal to pi by 4 log 2, pi by 4 log 2. So I is equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is the value of the given problem. Let I is equal to 16th problem, 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x into dx. So I is equal to, according to the property number 5, 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Wherever x is there, in the place of x you can replace with a minus x. So that means I is equal to 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x. In the place of x you can replace with a minus x, that means pi minus x into dx. So I is equal to 0 to pi log 1 plus cos 180 minus x is minus cos x dx. Let this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Next, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. I plus I is equal to I plus I is equal to integration of 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x dx plus 0 to pi log 1 minus cos x log 1 minus cos x dx. So 2y is equal to 0 to pi common, 0 to pi integration common. If you take common, log of 1 plus x cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x into dx. We can write like this. We know that log a plus log b is equal to log ab. So according to this property, 2y is equal to 0 to pi log a plus log b is log of ab. Ab means 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x dx. So 2y is equal to 0 to pi log a plus b into a minus b. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square means 1 minus cos square. That means sin square x dx. So according to logarithm property, log x power n is equal to n log x. Log x power n is equal to n log x. Log sin x whole power 2 means 2 log 2y is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi log sin x dx. Next, integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. So according to the property number 7, if f of 2a minus x is f of x, if f of 2a minus x is f of x, then 0 to 2a f of x dx we can write as 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. So according to this property, in the place of 0 to 2a what we have? 0 to pi log sin x is there, log sin x dx is there. So in this f of 2a minus x, 2a minus 2 means 2a minus means here pi minus log of sin pi minus x is how much again? Again it is equal to dx. Dx equal to 0 to pi. Again this is equal to log sin x. Again we got the same function. Log sin x dx. We got the same function. F of x dx. If f of 2a minus x, 2a means here 2a means pi. So 2a minus x equal to, again if you got log sin x dx, again if you get the same function, then this function 0 to pi log sin x we can write like this. Log sin x dx is equal to 2 times of 0 to pi. Pi means how much here? 2 times of a. A means how much? Pi by 2. Otherwise pi means we can write like this. 2 into pi by 2. 2 times of pi by 2. That means 2 times of 0 to log sin x we can write it as 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. 0 to pi log, when we have to write 0 to pi log sin x like this means, if you got the same function, if you substitute in the place of x, if you replace 2a minus x, you should get again same function. Then we can write f of x dx value as 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx. That means 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. So 2y is equal to 2 into 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So 2 gets cancelled. I is equal to 2 times of, already we proved this value in the in the previous problem. Already we solved this. What is the value of this function? Minus pi by 2 log 2. 2 gets cancelled. I is equal to minus pi log 2 minus pi log 2. This is the value of the given problem.